Here are 50 common sentences you might use when purchasing household appliances. 1. I'm looking for a new washing machine. 2. What's the best brand for refrigerators? 3. Can you tell me the differences between these models? 4. Is there a warranty included with this appliance? 5. Do you have this in another color? 6. What's the energy rating on this appliance? 7. I need a microwave that fits a small space. 8. Does this come with free delivery? 9. How long does the delivery usually take? 10. Can you show me how this oven works? 11. Is there a discount available for this model? 12. What's the return policy for large appliances? 13. Does this dishwasher have a quick wash feature? 14. How many liters can this refrigerator hold? 15. Is there a sale on any kitchen appliances? 16. What's the most popular brand for vacuum cleaners? 17. Does this coffee maker come with a grinder? 18. Can I pay in installments? 19. I'm looking for a smart TV. Can you show me your options? 20. How do I set up this air conditioner? 21. Can this appliance be connected to Wi-Fi? 22. What's the noise level of this washing machine? 23. Do you have user manuals for all your appliances? 24. Is this toaster easy to clean? 25. What are the main features of this blender? 26. Does this iron come with an automatic shut-off feature? 27. I need an energy-efficient appliance. What do you recommend? 28. What's the warranty period on this item? 29. Can I exchange this if it's not the right size? 30. Does this model have a good customer rating? 31. How do I register this appliance for warranty? 32. Are there any additional charges for installation? 33. Does this vacuum cleaner work well on carpets? 34. Can you demonstrate how to use this pressure cooker? 35. What's the difference between these two brands? 36. Is there an extended warranty option? 37. Does this TV come with a wall mount bracket? 38. Is there a feature to set this appliance on a timer? 39. What type of maintenance does this appliance need? 40. Do you offer after-sales service? 41. What's the power consumption of this appliance? 42. Does this have an automatic defrost option? 43. Is there a special price if I buy more than one item? 44. Can I get assistance with moving this to my car? 45. What's the lifespan of this appliance? 46. Is there a user-friendly manual included? 47. Do you offer recycling for old appliances? 48. Can this dryer handle large loads? 49. What's the return window for this product? 50. Are there any current promotions I should know about? These sentences can help you have a smoother and more informed experience when shopping for household appliances.